Guys, welcome back. So I'm getting started with this polish from Beetles, and it's like a nice minty blue, and I am going to be doing 2 coats of this polish. So I was gonna leave 2 of the nails blank, and I totally forgot about that. So I ended up leaving just 1 of them blank. And that's because I am going to be adding some foil paper, and this is a foil paper that I'm gonna be using. It's like a nice pretty floral one. And I'm gonna be cutting a good size for my nail. And I'm gonna be using this nail foil glue from a cart. I'm gonna be applying a nice layer to my clear nail, and then I'm gonna be putting it in the lamp to cure. So right after it's out of the lamp, I'm going to be adding the piece that I cut of my transfer foil paper. So I'm just going to be putting it down, making sure that I have it through all my nail. And I'm going to be using my fingers and also a little tool to put the foil down. So I'm just going to be rubbing it in, just trying to make sure that I get the most that I can. Just because a lot of the times that I do it, I do have some blank spaces, which they're fixable. Alright, so as you guys could see, I started peeling off the transfer foil paper, and I do see a couple of blank spaces. So all I do, I go right ahead, I try to see the piece of foil paper that will blend in the best with whatever space I'm trying to cover. Sometimes if the glue is not tacky enough, then I do apply a little more, cure it in the lamp, and then I go ahead and transfer whatever pieces I want to those blank spaces. Okay, and once I'm happy with my nail, I do go ahead and add a nice coat of top coat, and then I go ahead and cure this in the lamp. Alright guys, so for this one, I'm doing the same thing. This was a nail that was supposed to be clear as well. It actually turned out pretty good too. And once again, I'm adding a nice layer of top coat. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and add the second coat. Alright guys, so this is my set so far, but I'm gonna go ahead and add some rhinestones on 1 of the nails. And I also decided to add 1 rhinestone on the pinky nail. Okay guys, so my set is done. I really love how these turn out. I hope you guys did too, and this is how they look on my hands. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.